walking around from town to town with a wagon driver back in the day. And the wagon driver hears the rabbi give the same sermon. He's getting better, the rabbi gives a great sermon, everyone loves it. One day the wagon driver turns to the rabbi and says, I've heard versions of your sermon so many times, I could do it. And the rabbi needs a break, says, that's a great idea. Here, take my rabbi hat. I'll take your wagon driver outfit. I'll drive you to the next town. You give the sermon, wagon driver. That's what happens. The wagon driver dresses the rabbi, gets up on the pulpit, and the wagon driver is really the rabbi. You guys get so far, right? Wagon driver's in front, wearing the rabbi outfit. Wagon driver is really the rabbi in the back. And the wagon driver, dressed as rabbi, gives the sermon of a lifetime. It's amazing. People are crying. And then they say to this rabbi, that was so beautiful. We'd like to ask you some very specific, very difficult questions about the Bible. And they ask him one of these questions, the poor wagon driver. He's lost. Doesn't know what to say. And so he scratches his beard and says, that question is so simple. You see my wagon driver in the back? Even he can answer that one. So I have to admit, in a room full of people who are doing a lot of these activities, creating really strong interfaith environments from Interfaith Week, creating, as Dawood has spoken to me now, really strong faith-centered institutions. I'm more of a wagon driver in this space with the real rabbis in the room. So I want to hear a lot about what you think, probably not now, but if you have any feedback about what we're doing, please let me know. So keep trying. Basically, is an organization called Strengthening Faith Institutions Network. And a lot of your organizations or individuals or community members will say, Interfaith Week is so wonderful. Where do we go from here? And one of the things that could possibly go from here is into an organization where we're doing here, Strengthening Faith Institutions Network. This is a network, as it says on the tin, creating stronger, healthier, integrated, and accessible places of worship in